have a lot of distractions today.
Okay. Don't get too much.
Remove it a little bit and I hold it for you. Oh, the nail fell. The nail fell on the ground over there. You see it? You don't see it? Good job. Okay.
This is the right way.
Yes, it is the right way. You're doing fantastic. You have to hammer it. Make it straight. No, you have to put, okay, hammer it. Okay. This side. Good. I think it's good. Sorry. Let me see. And then you have to hammer it. Hammer it so it can stay. I'm going to hold it for you. Good, that's enough. That's enough. On the other side. I think that's good. Okay, so I think this is next. No, on the wheels. Look at the instructions, Mama. No, it's easy for you. Right. Tell me what you love, Mama. You're happy about what? Finish. Yeah, you had a good dream?
Yeah.
Awesome. Can you pick up what colors you want?
Paint.
Yeah, paint. If you need help, you need to ask. That's enough. What color is that? Lavender. I don't think that's white. That's white? Yes, okay. It's okay, you wipe it later.
I told you.
Hold on. Move this.
What is this? A big snake. You did this big snake.
You wanna paint now? Some point?
Everybody's gonna love it.
They love it. I know, it looks nice. It's like candy pink. It's okay. Finish and then we'll wipe your fingers. You know you can turn it on the side, eh?
Okay, let's see. Let's go. Okay, yeah, 1 second.
Hold on, let me show you something.
That's the second color. Also, you need to wake up.
Mm-hmm.
Also, we need a paper for Nina.
You'll ask her for a kit.
We also need a kitty this. But she has colors, so she can color.
Mm-hmm. Everything. Okay, hold on. Let's see how it's supposed to look. Here. Look, Mama. This is how it's supposed to look. So those are windows. You need help? That's the side here. I'm holding it for you. Huh? The other side? I thought you said the middle one. The last one. That's for here. Sorry.
Old school, she played that piece of piano.
Oh yeah? Awesome. And then what else? So there's a line here. There's a line here. That's it. You need help? To the tail. Here. You need help? Look at the picture. Here's the picture. Look. It's over there. It's standing. It's a standing triangle. Oh, do it on this side. Do, You need help? Let me see. I think our plane is... we made a mistake there, but it's okay. Let me see. Okay, then the straight one. Start from the end. If you start in the middle, it will tear. Please. No, the other way around. Okay, here. Start at the end. Because it has to stick, Mom. There you go. You have to hold it here first. When you put it here, you make sure it stays. Okay, press it all the way. Press it all the way. Okay. Okay, make press hard. There you go. We put it press and press across. Press all the way in the middle as well. Okay, good job. Where are we now? Where you have to put the Home Depot thing. What is that? Elsa. Yes, we did. Yeah, we did.
Years I roamed empty halls. Why have a poet with no balls? Finally, we're opening up the actual real life people.
Oh, there's a line here. Where is the line for here and here? Look, Mama, look. Time in forever. There'll be money. There'll be. I don't know where it is. Okay, put your kids over here. Okay, hold it up. Let me see. Can I see it? Let me see your aeroplane. Okay. Can I see it? Let me see your aeroplane. Okay. Can I see it? Let me see your aeroplane. Okay. Can I see it? Let me see your aeroplane. Okay. Can I see it? Let me see your aeroplane. Okay. Can I see it? Let me see your aeroplane. Okay.
Picture
Time is forever.
I won't be alone. I can't wait